Invest in success with Pub Quiz Prep. The education you want, the education you deserve.
Welcome to Pub Quiz Prep, Volume 1, Round 9. Let's dive straight in. Question 1. In the game of Scrabble, how many points is the letter P worth? In the game of Scrabble, how many points is the letter P worth? Question 2. What English rock band evolved from the earlier band The Rain? What English rock band evolved from the earlier band The Rain? Question number 3. What does a barometer measure? Question number 3. What does a barometer measure? Question 4. Where is the Smithsonian Institute? Where is the Smithsonian Institute? Question number 5. What is the temperature of absolute zero? What is the temperature of absolute zero? Question number 6. What is the atomic number of helium? What is the atomic number of helium? Reminds me, I read a great book the other day about helium. It was so good I just couldn't put it down. Question number 7. What 3 films was Leonardo DiCaprio nominated for Best Actor at the Academy Awards before finally winning for his role in The Revenant? What 3 films was Leonardo DiCaprio nominated for Best Actor at the Academy Awards before finally winning for his role in The Revenant? Question number 8. The singer Marvin Gaye was shot dead by whom? Question number 8. The singer Marvin Gaye was shot dead by whom? Question 9. Who wrote The Adventures of Tom Sawyer? Who wrote The Adventures of Tom Sawyer? Question number 10. Final question. In 1989, and there's a clue right there, who sang Your Best Friend Harry Has a Brother Larry? In 5 days from now, he's gonna marry. He's hoping you can make it there if you can, because in the ceremony you'll be the best man. You can see I've really missed my calling. In 1989, who sang Your Best Friend Harry Has a Brother Larry? In 5 days from now he's gonna marry. He's hoping you can make it there if you can, because in the ceremony you'll be the best man. Okay, take a breath. Here come the answers to the Pub Quiz Prep Volume 1, Round 9. The letter P is worth 3 points in the game of Scrabble. The English band that evolved from the earlier band The Rain, of course, was Oasis. What does a barometer measure? Atmospheric pressure. Where is the Smithsonian Institute? It is in Washington, D.C. Absolute zero is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, or in Fahrenheit, minus 459.67. I'll accept to the closest degree, or if you gave me the answer in Fahrenheit, get with the program, the rest of the world is using Celsius. Okay, so what is the atomic number of helium? 2. Okay, so the 3 films that Leonardo DiCaprio was nominated for Best Actor at the Academy Awards unsuccessfully before he finally won with The Revenant are The Aviator, Blood Diamond, and The Wolf of Wall Street. Question number 8. The singer that Marvin Gaye... Let me rephrase that slightly. Question number 8. The singer Marvin Gaye was shot dead by whom? Answer, his father, Marvin Gaye Sr. Now, of course, Mark Twain wrote The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Alright, well, who sang the 1989 song that included this lyric? Do I have to do it again? Okay, here we go. Your best friend Harry has a brother Larry. In 5 days from now, he's gonna marry. He's hoping you can make it there if you can, because in the ceremony, you'll be the best man. Answer, young MC. Thanks for playing so much. You can find Pub Quiz Prep on the website where you can print off the question sheets if you like. Either way, whatever you tallied up there, put that in the comments section below. Let's see who got the highest score and who is the first person to get 10 out of 10. No cheating. Okay, we'll see you next time.
Thank you for playing Pub Quiz Prep. Question everything.